These are the instructions for Friday maths. So today there's just one task 4 maths line graph for recording the weather. So this is on Google Classroom. I've also said down here that there's a harder and easier option if you need that. So for the harder option, you could draw at least 2 graphs and write a paragraph for your conclusion. And for the easier option, just choose one piece of information from your recording weather to graph, just one information, one day. So if you look at back, so on your Google Classroom, you'll have a copy of this. So there's all the instructions on it, and you just need to read and follow the instructions. So using the weather recording you've collected, or you can use mine, there's a link to mine there. You're going to draw a line graph and then come up with some conclusions. So I've put some suggestions of what you graph because there's lots of information on that line graph, on your recording sheet. So I either suggest you graph humidity, cloud cover, and precipitation together because they're all percentages, so they can be compared to against each other on one graph. And you can choose 2 of them, or you can graph all 3, but only graph one day. So just all Wednesdays or all Thursdays. Otherwise, it just gets a bit complicated for one graph. Or you can graph temperature and have a different line for Wednesday and a different line for Thursday. And same for wind as well. Just do wind and then have a different line for Wednesday or Thursday. And you need to think about what goes on each axis. So just like when you were drawing the one yesterday, what's the highest number your scale needs to go up to? What will you go up? So you go up in 5s, 10s, 2s, whatever. And will each centimetre be in your number, each grid, same as yesterday. Then again, you're going to draw in your dots, looking at about where they intersect. Draw lines to connect them in a different colour for each of them. And then you're going to attach a picture of your graph and then write 3 statements about your graph. I haven't written sentence starters for these ones. You can go back and look at the ones yesterday to help you if you need. Otherwise, just write your 3 statements on your document and then submit it when you're done. Turn it in, I think it's called on your one, and then I'll comment and return it to you when it's done as well. And that's all your maths work for the week.